In the previous video, we have studied about the chloroplast as well as the cell membrane. So the third part of the plant cell is the cell wall. Cell wall is generally present only in the plant cell, and this is one of the biggest difference as compared to the animal cell. Cell wall is an extra layer outside the plasma membrane or cell membrane. Generally, animals only have the cell membrane as the outer layer, whereas the plant have also cell wall. Cell wall is basically tough as compared to the plasma membrane, but it has certain pores in it. You can observe the pores in here, holes, which allows the material to pass into the cells. Even though the cell wall is tough, it is also flexible in nature. Flexible means it can withstand some amount of pressure. So cell wall gives a definite shape to the cell. Earlier it was believed that cell wall was an inactive. Earlier it was believed that cell wall was inactive in nature, but presently it is been identified that cell wall plays an important role in exchange of information from different parts of the cells. Generally, the parts of a cell are known as organelles. These are the organelles, which are different parts. So friends, we will move on to the next topic, which is nucleus. Okay, you can look at the nucleus here, and the middle part is known as the nucleus. In the previous class, we have studied that Robert Brown was the first person to have seen the nucleus with the help of a microscope. It was in the year 1831. It is one of the important part of the cell, and it is also known as the cell control room. One of the major scientists have thought that the new cells are being formed from the nucleus and called it as cytoblast. But it is not true. So the cell nucleus plays an important role in controlling the various functions and characteristics of the cell. So it controls all the other organelles of the cell. The nucleus is generally enclosed by a membrane. Membrane is the outer layer of the nucleus, which is known as the nuclear membrane. All the animals and plants generally have the nuclear membrane except prokaryotic cells such as bacteria and algae. So friends, cells, for a general information, cells generally have a membrane to it. Membrane means a outer layer to it, outer covering. Every part of the cell has an outer covering, which is a membrane to it. So prokaryotic cells doesn't have a membrane, whereas eukaryotic cells have membrane to it. So you know that the algae and fungi are just single celled organisms. Some of them are single celled, which doesn't have a membrane to the parts of the cells.